Hey everybody, it's Mark the Lost Traveler, and we're ready to travel. Alright, we make our way through this field here, down to the trailhead, which actually could have been that sign back there. There's a little info on the Munson bike trail here in the state of Michigan. And here's where we're at. The red loop is 2.2 miles and it's wooded. The orange loop is 1.8 miles, that's wooded. The yellow loop is 1.2 miles, that's kind of out in the open like we were just on. The pink loop is 1.5 and the blue loop is 0.8 miles. Trail rules: ride bicycles clockwise, walkers, hikers walk counterclockwise, and stay on the marked trails at all times. Alright, we're heading down the orange loop, 1.5. They got a bench in here for those who want to wait for their loved ones on the other side. I heard a rattlesnake back there. I don't know if you heard that on the camera. Kind of trail. Like I've always told you guys in every video, I am a beginner to maybe intermediate, nothing more. I'll do the easy trails, the beginner trails, some intermediate trails, but I'm just out here to have fun, get some exercise, enjoy the nature and the sounds of nature. I'm not an extreme rider like on other videos that you see, going down big boulders and all kinds of rock features and wooden teeter-totters, even though I might try that, but at least I'm getting out there, so better than sitting home being a couch potato. Actually, this is a nice little ride through the woods here. Just a lot of lefts and rights. A couple of stumps here and there, a few rocks. But for all you speedsters that could probably do this trail in, seems like maybe 1 minute. But this is good for me. Hey, with all the rain that we've been having all over the country, it seems, this trail is fairly dry, a few muddy spots. The sun's out, it's about 80 degrees. There's a log jump if you want to take that. I probably could have done that. I've done a few of those before. bridge kind of came up kind of fast on that turn there. A little bridge again over the mud pit. Basically single track, nice and flat, like I said, nothing too extreme. It's fast. There's a few features if you want to tackle those. It's a nice little feature here. Up the hill. Definitely hear a lot of wildlife on this trail. And there we go. Now we're going to the entrance of the Red Loop. And this was part of the Eagle Scout project. Another bench, and so off we go on to the red. Bridge there at the beginning. The red trail. Well, for me, that was a good little trail. Did like 5 miles total. Like I always say when I do any of these trail videos, I do easy, beginner, and maybe a little intermediate. I know there's a lot of guys who do really extremes. I'm not into that. I'm just out here enjoying myself and the scenery and getting some exercise and biking. All right, and on that note, traveler out.